Hi, I'm Matt from eSpares. In this video, I'll show you how to replace a door hinge on a Hotpoint washing machine. If you're having trouble opening or closing your door and you can see that the hinge is broken, then you're going to need to replace it. Safety first, always disconnect an appliance before carrying out any work. The next thing you need to do is to remove the door from the washing machine. To remove the door, I just need to take off the 4 nuts that hold it in place using a nut spinner. Just need to put the door down on a flat surface. So I've put a carpet tile on top of the washing machine. To access the hinges, I need to separate both parts of the door and take the glass out as well. The first thing I need to do to be able to do that is to remove the 6 screws that hold the pieces together. Now, with all the screws removed, to separate the 2 plastic pieces of the door, I need to use an array of flat-headed screwdrivers. Now, you could use butter knives or a non-serrated knife in order to separate the 2 parts. How we do that? There's a little groove in the plastic here. So I just need to put my first screwdriver in and just lift it up. And then what I can do is work another one around just to separate the 2 pieces of the plastic. Now, when doing this, do be very careful, as you don't want to break the pieces of plastic. Now what I'm going to do is just gently turn it upside down, and then I can remove the outer door from the handle and the glass. And I'm just going to take the glass out as well. And here we have the 2 hinges. To take the hinge off, we just have to move it past this groove here by pushing it along. Bend it back so it passes through it, and then just push one side to free it and then lift it out. And to put the new hinge in, just reverse the process. So push it in, slot it back until it is in place, and then you can bend it through the groove until it's in position. With the hinge now in place, I can put the 2 pieces of the door and the glass back together. Now, the glass only goes in one way. We have this nodule on the door, and we have a corresponding mark on the glass as well. So we have to tuck that under the handle and then position it in place, and then we can place the outer door on, making sure that the handle goes through the little gap. Now, this is quite a fiddly job, so if you've got an extra pair of hands around, it's a good idea to utilize them. But you should be able to do it on your own. Once it's all in place, you can then pop the 2 pieces of plastic into position before screwing it together. With the door now screwed tightly together, I can refit it to the washing machine. Once the door is screwed into place, just open and close a couple of times just to make sure that everything's settled and that the door closes properly. So there we have it, 1 new door hinge fitted to this Hotpoint washing machine. Remember, spares and accessories for all the appliances around your home can be found on the eSpares website. Thanks for watching.